welcome back to our channel.
What's up?
So we are here today in Honest in Fremont, California. Enjoy dinner with us.
Those of you who are wondering how do Indians in the US survive and what kind of Indian food is available in US, you will be surprised at the plethora of options that we have here in the US. It's a crazy amount of Indian community, food options, Indian temples, anything Indian that you can think of, it is literally available, at least where we live here in California.
Yep. So our first dish is over here. We had some pani puri. Ooh, looks so good.
Give it a try. Thank you.
Okay. Let us know how it is.
I
Is it
love
spicy?
This is not the first time that I'll be eating pani puri here.
Spicy.
Just the way it's supposed to be.
Just the way it's supposed to be. Okay.
Ready for one?
So, cheers, guys.
The pani is super cold, but in general, I think it's really good. Can you make one more for me?
Here you go.
Thank you. Our next dish is called dry masala pav.
We are not live, are we?
No. super good. I got crunchy to places snack होता था. I will also be snack here.
In Gujarat, it's called Shahi Tukda or something. It's really good.
It's really good, huh? Our next order is here. What is this called? Dabang dosa.
Dabang dosa.
I just love the presentation of this. We have paratha too. Yogurt paratha. And we're gonna go into food coma.
I love this dish.
The dry one, yeah. I think if you would have taken with the bhaji, then it would like taste like pav bhaji, huh? Just like bun and a bhaji. Are you trying the paratha? Okay, let us know how you like it, okay?
It's delicious. It's really hot. The potato masala in the paratha could have been a little more saltier, but this is US, everybody is health conscious. People immediately start crying as soon as they see a little bit more salt. So
Does it remind you of home?
100%.
Yeah.
You try the dosa.
Yeah. I wanna try that paratha first.
ऐसी bite दूँ?
Yeah. Oh, with yogurt. Oh, I love yogurt. Yeah, yogurt is so good. I love the paratha. Okay. He's ready to attack dosa.
It looks so beautiful. I would rather just not eat it and frame it like that. Eat it. Feels like a cigar roll. It's delicious.
It's really good. How about the sambar? I think that's the main thing you go for, right? Sambar and the coconut chutney. How is it?
Reminds me of Raju dosa. Narsidham complex, Vadodara, Gujarat. You guys know what I'm talking about, right?
It is acha. Something unique taste. But I don't think we have been to Raju dosa. I mean, yeah, me. How's the sambar? Spicy for me. Sambar is good. But the dosa is a little spicy for me.
Is it?
Yeah, I totally forgot about the vada pav. Thank you. So the vada pav just entered the room with some batata vada. Thank you. Yeah, you can just leave it there. And we had a side of papad. I don't know for what reason he ordered papad for, but what is
I think it's a cold coffee.
cold coffee. We have like 2 more drinks, right? We did a faluda and another drink, I guess. We will be trying some Indian cold coffee. Let's see. Oh my god. Try this. It is super good. I mean, I don't know. This is the first time I'm trying. That's why. This is how you get it in India. Let's try some paratha and yogurt. Yeah, so super good. Yeah, so super good. So I am super full to try vada pav. So I will just do paratha vada, and he will do the review for vada pav, right?
Good.
Just a bite at least, please.
I mean, I've already tried it. The vada pav is really good. You get some curry pattas in the vada, which I don't like. If I would make the masala for the vada, I would skip the curry patta.
Yeah, so let's start with batata vada. So they have a chili here. So this is the green chutney and this is the tamarind chutney. So first I will just try batata vada like that. Thank you. Actually, I cannot really tell. It's like 50-50, like I like it, I don't like it. Let's try with the tamarind chutney. With this chutney, it goes well. And this is the curry leaves he was talking about.
That's a bummer.
And it's a lot too. Okay, let's try the green chutney. They have some mint in this chutney. You really go with tamarind chutney. If you're not like fan of spicy, then yeah, it's good. It's little bland. Let's have the expert taste and let us know.
Give me 2 minutes.
Drama इनके.
Cheese dosa is very filling. I like it.
But don't you think it's a little bland?
I think it's okay.
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इसको Ferrero Rocher milk.
So my Ferrero Rocher, I don't know how to pronounce that, but milkshake is here. Chocolate inside. Oh my god. Everything is so good over here. It reminds me of my trip to India. Everything I ate is like I'm in heaven. I can go back to India every year. I just hope they do something about the flight, man. It's very exhausting.
I think we deserve a private jet now.
Yeah, I don't think there's any other brand that can beat this. Can you think of anything?
What?
Like any American restaurant or brand that can beat this? Starbucks, they just have mocha.
Yeah, mocha isn't apples to apples, right? We're looking for
I mean, Java Chip Frappuccino kind of comes to chocolate milkshake, no?
that's again not apples to apples comparison.
But then I cannot think of any. I think McDonald's and everything have the standard.
Chocolate milkshake is terrible.
Exactly. I hate their. I mean, it's like super sweet.
Other brand that I can think of is the ice cream chain. I think it's called Baskin and Robbins.
But still, I think there is same as McDonald's.
Theirs is way more thicker. Kind of like a milkshake, not a milkshake.
He is getting ready for Bada Pav.
I'm super full.
Hey, look at your eyes and say you are super full. One more drink left and that's mango Faluda.
You are going to go crazy. Please try.
You think so?
So full that I've lost sense of happy, sad, angry.
I think we see our drink over there.
I could go through a full bypass surgery without anesthesia. Like I'm that dizzy right now.
So what's the plan?
What's
From
the
here.
plan?
Yeah,
What's the plan?
yeah.
What do you mean what's the plan?
Are we going to that Maggie place?
Of course we are not.
But you promised me.
Promises are...
Meant to be not broken.
I meant to say promises are not meant to be kept.
Could be. Could be.
Promises are meant to be broken.
Thank you. Our mango Faluda is here.
Faluda has ice cream, so it has to be eaten/drunk.
How do you like it? Good? That's right. What's in there? What's in there?
Some dry fruits, some this, lot of things. That chopped mangoes भी होंगे फिर
Curious about what am I eating?
सेवइयाँ फलूदा में ढेर सारी चीज़ें जाती है.
This milkshake was number one. Coffee was good too. This is like, okay. Let's try a baraka.
She already reviewed the vada, so this review is technically just palm, okay?
First we'll start with these crumbs. That's crispy and good. Okay. So there are two types of eaters. One who put all the chutney inside their bun, and the second people will just put it on the side and just dip it like a ketchup and eat it.
You forgot the third time.
What? They don't like
They don't.
eat chutney. But those people, I mean, I don't know what to say.
And you forgot the fourth time.
Well,
Those who eat a bite of vada pav and then take a sip of chutney.
there are people like that too. Okay, so I'm the first type. I like to put everything inside and then.
So well, there are two types of people. First, the ones that only order what they think they can finish. And they absolutely make sure that, you know, the food is all eaten.
Those are the conjuice type.
Or the smart type. We are idiots, right? We blow up money every day. So
Well, I will just say one thing. We have one life. Live it to the fullest. I think let's just put these crumbs inside here. Because I'm pretty sure when I'll make a bite, it will all fall. Oh, I have a chili too. I mean, I will not eat it just to show you guys. Big chili. Okay, here we go. Everything combined. It's just so good. You wanna have a bite? Have a bite for the subscribers.
I'm on my desert.
Little bit of bite. Just a bite. Come on, for the people. He's from India, so he kind of knows everything. Only thing I knew was batata.
She means the vegetable batata. Don't think batata vada. Okay? All she knew was there is a vegetable that exists
that grows underground. It's called potato in English or patata in Hindi or Gujarati. But after meeting me, now she has found that it could be boiled, mashed, fried along with besan for patata vada.
Oh,
And
but-
now new concept. Now it's in a bun. How about that? How scientific is that?
No, before we didn't know that potatoes are called batata. We just know that potatoes are called aloo, not batata. Okay guys, so we are almost done. We're gonna wrap up, ask for some to-go boxes. Thank you so much for packing the food. And this is how the interior is. Looks so nice.